Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a super cute My Melody girl. So we're drawing a chibi anime girl version of My Melody from Sanrio. So we're going to start with her eyes. So we have this curved line on the top and then this oval that is below it. We do that on both sides and those are going to be the eyes. As you can see, the eyes are pretty big. We're going to add some detail to make them even more cute. We have this giant circle near the top of the eye, and then we're gonna add this bean shape near the bottom of the eye. Yeah, just like that. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and color the oval, the big oval, on both sides. So I'm taking my time, I'm going nice and slow to make sure that it looks nice. Doing it again on this side. Alright, beautiful. Now we're going to add some eyelashes because our drawing would not be complete without some really cute eyelashes. And then we're going to thicken this line to make it look like she's wearing some eyeliner. So it's like we're putting on her makeup. We're going to put on eyelashes like she's putting on some mascara, and then thicken this line so it looks like she's wearing eyeliner. Alright, beautiful. She has her eyes. And then we can start drawing her hair. So these are going to be her bangs. Boop, 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 boop. Her bangs are kind of swoopy. We have this part that goes down and back up. And then on the other side, we're going to have this part that goes down and back up. And of course, My Melody has this little flower. So to make sure we can tell that it's her, we're going to add her signature little flower, which has 5 petals and a circle in the middle. So there's that. Then we have one ear that's flopped over, and then one ear that's sticking out straight. So there's her ears. Let's finish drawing her head. So we're going to draw this line right here. That's for her cheek. This line right here for her other cheek. Her chin. And we're leaving room for her little hands. My Melody's kind of shy, very sweet. So we want to portray that in our drawing. So she's wearing a little sweater, and these are her little sweater paws. So we got 1, and then we've got 2. All right, and then we can finish drawing her sweater. So this is going to go down to about here. Then we're going to draw some wrinkles on it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll draw her skirt. Imagine we're just drawing a bunch of these squares. We're just drawing a bunch of squares. I'm gonna go all the way around here. Boop, 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 boop. Awesome. Then we'll draw her little legs and feet. So you can see, not a ton of detail. Down. The feet touch. And we'll add these curved lines right here. And we'll add these lines here for shoes. The other line is for her socks. And then we can go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm gonna give her pretty long hair. Goes down to her legs. And I think that would be really cute. And once we straighten out some of the lines, that's it. Then you can color her. So I gave mine pink hair, pink shoes, pink ears, a white sweater, blue eyes.